Stop. Please stop. Okay, can you preheat the oven to 350, please?
Alright, follow me.
Oh God, go.
Give me that sunshine, sunshine. Give me them good times, good times. Nothing but good vibes, good vibes. Give me that sunshine, sunshine.
Very beautiful day today. I kind of wanted to vlog this week because in exactly a week it's my birthday and I had a bunch of birthday plans, but all canceled now. It's okay. Today's day 15 of quarantine and I don't know, just give me a random bowl. And me and Luke are cooking right now. Chef Luke, he's making hard rice. Yeah, and we got these beef thingies. They're so good from Trader Joe's, and then salad, Trader Joe's, because we just went grocery shopping and we don't have a lot actually, but yeah. Is it still chunky?
Yeah, it's not microwave.
Oh, yeah. But just wanted to vlog this week. This week of online school. So last week I had a full week of online school already. It's kind of weird, but I'll show you guys what it's like. And Luke had like 9 finals. He still has one tomorrow. And I'm always like super quiet during the finals, but yeah, I'm just like sleeping still. But yeah, I'll just take you along. So we've been on Netflix a lot, right? We finished Love is Blind, we finished Crash Landing on You, and right now we're watching Ozark. It's pretty good, it's not bad. But all-time favorite is always Grey's Anatomy. I don't know. But this is our food. Looks better in the other lighting. Just trying to paint.
Hi vlog. Hi vlog.
Okay, you'll see it in the next video.
Hell yeah. Dogs.
What?
Dogs. Which
His
dress
friends.
did I?
I was just
Oh wait, didn't tell the vlog yet, but apparently now shelter in place, or like the staying inside social distancing, is until April 30th. So it's like the whole month of April, I guess. But what day is it? Today's Sunday, so today's Lord's Day, and we woke up at like 1 to 2 today, so didn't do church in the morning. But it's a little later after dinner now, and Luke was leaking, and I was watching Grey's and crying. But now we're watching this, we go to Reality SF, and so we were we're listening to this sermon at 10 p.m. But yay. And oh, also shout out to TJ's, because these chips are so good. So it's another very beautiful day today, and today is Monday, and it's already like 1 o'clock, and Luke already took a final. He went to class, and then I woke up at like 11, and then I just had an advising appointment with my music therapy professor, and we're like signing up for classes for next semester. It's my last year, so yeah, next semester. And yeah, I'm excited to graduate in a year, but I don't know, there's always so many classes. I'm taking like 10 classes again, but whatever, it's fine. Right now Luke's making brunch, lunch, whatever. Here, show the vlog your cooking skills. His popped egg. And hash browns. So this is the lunch. I made it prettier because Luke killed the hash browns into that.
She put this on my plate.
Because he made it like that. But this is salmon, egg, and the spinach dip. That's really good. And then, yeah, delicious. And we're still watching Ozark. This is what the boy does in dental school. Look, not paying attention to the lecture. Look.
You haven't started
yet. Goodbye.
What the?
But at like, oh, it's 2 right now. At like 3, I had to meet with my supervisor. And then since we're not like seeing clients anymore, we have to role play our therapy session. And it's really awkward because it's just like on the computer and like just kind of weird. We just have to pretend like our supervisor is the client. And ooh, maybe I can show you a session plan or what I'm singing. Let's see. Let me see. Alright, so this is what a session plan looks like. I have 4 things. Oh, it's not focusing. Focus. Okay. It's like the opening song and like what the goals is, like social, and then My Girl, Here Comes the Sun, and the goodbye song, and like it's just very like detailed, like step by step. And I honestly really miss doing it with like my 2 other partners because it was so much easier. We do more songs, but like it was like an hour long, and now it's just really awkward because there's no clients and it's by ourselves, so double awkward. Told you he's not paying attention. I have a lot more classes tomorrow. Tuesdays back at school, I had like classes from like 10 to 7:30, but it's still similar online, but at least I don't have to go in person. But I can show you my schedule for the week. I'll just put it right here. I used GoodNotes to plan out my schedule because I left my planner at school, so I guess I'll just use my iPad. But it's another week of school. I guess there's only 1 more month, so I guess that's kind of cool. So I just finished my session with my supervisor. Kind of weird, still weird, because it's, I don't know, it's just weird because it's like role playing. But now I have like some quizzes to do. What else is to do? I don't know, a bunch of other homeworks. You still in school? Oh wow, you turned off the whatever you were playing.
I've always been studying.
Ew, this is really gross. I'm gonna cover it for the vlog. Why is there so much static, babe? Come! So I want us to bake these chocolate chip blondies. They look so good. Yes. If they're good, I'll link it down below. If they're not, I'll still link it down below. Babe, come on! Stop, babe, stop. Okay, can you preheat the oven to 350, please?
Alright, follow me.
Oh gosh, go.
$350?
Yeah.
Alright, unfollow me.
So I just bought these from Target yesterday. These nice.
You still didn't eat your soft-boiled egg I made for you.
Didn't. Oh, this is the prettiest can opener ever, right, babe? Look at this. It's so pretty. Anyways, sorry, distracted. Alright, what else? 1 egg. I need half a cup of butter.
How much is that?
I think it's just 1 stick.
This is what happens when you don't need a share.
You don't need to share. Can you make it more spread out? It's supposed to be a brownie.
Just wait. I'm trying to...
Grab it all first. The oven's ready. See you in 28 minutes. So it's basically a giant cookie. I don't know if you can really call it a brownie, but hopefully it'll taste good. It looks good. So it's a little while later. I cooked dinner, and this is chicken corn mushroom pasta.
Very sticky.
I know, I don't know why it's so sticky. I don't know, whatever. It's food. Yay. So I've been making my own milk tea a lot. I'll show you guys later, but I just bought this boba from Amazon. And let's see if it tastes good. I'll show you how to make the milk tea first. So milk tea, I brewed like a bunch of black tea. And then basically I'll put sugar first. I use sugar, this simple syrup. And I don't put like a lot, but like a good amount. That's good. That's good. And then you put, this is evaporated milk. Like a dash. And then you put regular milk. Oops, I spilled. So like there. So that's milk tea. And for brown sugar milk, you just put a bunch of brown. This is brown sugar that I brewed earlier. One. We don't have boba straw, so I guess this will have. We'll just use it with a spoon. Here's the brown sugar, and here's the milk tea. Yay. Okay. Thanks for watching.
You just wanted to video me.
No, I'm grabbing a weight now. A single weight. 8 pounds. Whew. Oh.
Oh.
Say hi to the vlog, guys.
Oh, okay. Hi, vlog.
The Fullerton squad.
Brienne, that's terrible.
The
I'm a
gang back
great
together.
jar.
Wait,
Except for
one's
Brad.
missing.
Yes.
Yay, I made it into the gang.
Wait, how close is third place?
Oh my
to me?
gosh, babe.
I'm
That's
very
really
scared to
scary.
lose. Oh my
Trying
god.
to make like a. I don't like his eyeshadow.
So it's another very beautiful day today, and there's school, and it's like 10, and like Luke finished already his first class, so he's just waiting. But I have my first class, and I'm gonna click it. Click. Okay, I found it. How do you?
That was due for today. If you are just joining us, I just want you to remember, if you can hear me all right, use the chat feature to say yes, and I'm using that as an attendance record.
You know those classes where you sit through like an hour and a half and you have no idea what the teacher's talking about? This is one of those classes. This is behavioral psych, and it's more of like, I don't know, feels like a bio class of psych, but it's kind of interesting, but no idea what he's talking about. And Mr. in school over here, excuse me? You're in school. But right now it's 11:30. Are you hungry? Any food?
Yeah.
I can make food. I have class at 12. It's a fieldwork class, and then after that I have psychomusics right after that. So normally on Tuesdays I have straight through, so I don't eat lunch or like until like after 2. But I don't know what to eat. Let's go look. So I finished 3 classes, and it's, what time is it? 2. Kind of want to nap, but maybe, I don't know. I still have a bunch of work. I still have one more class at 6. It's choir, which is really weird. Choir online is really funny. There's like 60 people on the Zoom call. But it's been 4 hours and Luke's still in the same spot. Computer games. And half listening to his lectures.
It's syllabus week.
Okay. Choir's supposed to start now, babe.
No, it's not.
This is dinner? What is that? Like, there's choir though. Wait, give me a second. I don't want choir to see me eating. What is this? What is it?
Simone.
Is it hot?
Probably. Some hot bread. It's called my bread.
Not bad.
Worked out.
No, we
and
didn't. He's lying.
It was so great.
We were playing
Got very
Scribble.
pumped.
But thanks so much for watching this vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe and what, babe?
For the life you can't put into words.
Peace. Can you close it?